This is an example of Timothy hay. You can see it's Timothy because you see the seed heads are from the Timothy plant. This was a hay that was cut and dried pretty quickly. You see the lovely bright green color. This hay is orchard grass hay. We don't have any seed heads to give us a positive identification without cutting this bale open, but the stems are finer and thinner and the leaves are finer and thinner. And this hay was a little longer drying, which is why it's got the yellower, more browny color. Nutritionally, there is no real difference between them, except that the hay that was dried more quickly probably kept more of its feed value than the hay that was dried a little slower and had more time to deteriorate. Here is another grass hay, and this is a mixed grass hay. We can see in here it has some clover blooms. It has the flat leaves that are normally associated with Timothy, and then it has a mixture of other grasses mixed in it. This is a well-made hay. It's nice and bright green, and it's very friable, but we can't actually identify the plants as easily as we can in the other hay. And now this is alfalfa hay, and this is characteristic of a legume hay. It has much bigger, thicker stalks and little tiny leaves that fall off when you eat. And that's one of the things to be aware of with legume hays, is there's a lot of what we call leaf drop, which is the leaves that have fallen out and fallen through. Remember, these have the bulk of the nutritional value, and when they fall out, you're losing the nutritional value of the hay.